In this model, second problem, this is very important model. This is very important problem. First one also very important. Here, this is our question. Integration 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx. Working rule is different here. Numerator is equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b into denominator plus c. What is the difference here? Here constant here. So this is 4 and here 5 constant. So I am adding here c. So a b c. So here also numerator is equal to what is the numerator here? 2 sin x. 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4 is equal to a into d by dx of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus b into denominator. Here also same 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus c. Differentiation, what are here? 3 sin x. Sin differentiation here cos. So this is 3 cos x. 4 cos x, cos differentiation here sin minus sin. So here minus 4 sin x plus b into this one, same here 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus c. This is equation number 1. So here multiply this one, 3a cos x minus 4a sin x plus 3b sin x 4b cos x plus 5b plus c. So here I am in left side first what here sin. I am taking here first sin. So here sin x. What here minus 4a plus 3b. Next cos x common here. So what on here plus 3a. So here plus 4b plus 5c plus c. Here also same comparing with coefficients of sin x, cos x and constant term on both sides. Above equation. So what happened here? First one, what is the sign coefficient here in this equation? Minus 4a plus 3b. In left side what here 2. So this one minus 4a plus 3b is equal to 2. Here 3a plus 4b is equal to 3. 5b plus c is equal to 4. Equation number 2, 3, 4. First solve 2 and 3. How to solve this one? So there is no common here. That means here there is no same here. Here 4a, here 3a. 3 here 4. So multiply this one 3 here, this one 4. What happened here? Minus 12a plus 9b plus 6. What happened here also same. 4 into 12 4 into 3 here 12a plus 16b plus 12. So here minus 12a plus 12a get cancelled. This one 25, here 18. So here b is equal to 18 by 25. Next here b value substitute in equation number. Equation number how much here? Our choice here 2 and 3. I am taking here 3. So here 3a plus 4b 3a plus 4b is equal to here 3 actually. What is the b value here? 18 by 25. So here 18 4 ja 72. 3a plus 72 by 25, that is equal to 3. 3a is equal to 3 minus 72 by 25. So here actually 3a is equal to 25. 3 is how much here? 75. 75 minus 72 by 25. 3a is equal to 3 by 25. Here a is equal to 3. 3 get cancelled. 1 by 25. This is a value. Next b value substitute in equation number 4. So here what is equation number 4? Actually here 5b plus c, that is equal to 4. So here 5 into 18 by 25 plus c is equal to 4. So here 18 5 5 is 25. So here 18 by 5 plus c is equal to 4. Here c is equal to how much here? This one I am taking this side, this side. So here what happened here? 4 minus 18 by 5. What is in here? 1 here. So here LCM here 5. So here 1 into 5 here 5 minus also here 20 minus 18 by 5. C is equal to 2 by 5. Here a comma b and c value substitute equation number 1. What is the equation number 1? Actually here numerator is equal to here 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4, that is equal to here a is equal to here 1 by 25 into this one 3 cos x minus 4 sin x plus b into 18 by 25. That means here b means here b is equal to here 18 by 25. So here 18 by 25 into 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus c is equal to what on here 2 by 5. So this one numerator is equal. Actually what happened here, starting our problem now here, integration 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx. So just substitute here, this one is equal to here this here integration 1 by 25 3 cos x minus 4 sin x plus 18 by 25 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus 2 by 5 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx. Next separate this one, here 1 by 25 3 cos x minus 4 sin x by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5. Here 18 by 25 into same this one again plus what is in c is equal to 2 by 5. So this one 2 by 5 into 1 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx. So in this case what happened here, first one here, this is f dash of x by f of x here f. So here f of x is equal to here 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5. f dash of x is equal to what on here, this one 3 cos x minus 4 sin x. So this one, what is the formula actually here? Here also same, f dash of x by f of x. So this one log of f of x plus c. Actually formula here integration f dash of x by f of x dx, that is equal to log of f of x plus c. So this one 1 by 25 log of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5. Here same get cancel. 18 by 25 into integration 1 dx plus 2 by 5 into 1 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x dx, 4 cos x plus 5 dx. So finally here 1 by 25 log of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus here integration 1 dx is equal to what now here x here. So here 18 by 25 into x plus this one same here 2 by 5 integration 1 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx. I am taking this one equation number 5. Already we know that sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Put here tan x by 2 is equal to t sec square x by 2 1 by 2 into dx, that is equal to dt. Here dx is equal to 2 dt by sec square x by 2. Dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Dx is equal to already 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Already we know that. Actually what happened, I am taking here let integration 1 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx. This is equal integration 1 by, actually what happened here, this one sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus cos is equal to this one plus 5. Okay, here what happened here, put tan x by t is equal to t, dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus this one same. So okay, dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Yes. Next integration 1 by 3 into 2t by 1 plus t square plus 4 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus 5 into 1 plus t square. So here fine. So this one complete here. So finally here, what is the LCM here? 1 plus t square. So 60 plus 4 minus 4t square plus 5 plus 5t square. Here this one here multiply here, divide here. So here 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square get cancelled here. I am taking it to this side. So 2 into integration 1 by here minus 4t square here 5t square. What is the remaining here? T square. So here 60, only one term here. So here 60, here 4 plus 5 here 9. So dt. So what happened actually here? This one t square plus 60 plus 9, that is equal to here this one t square plus 6 is equal to what on here? This is 2 into 3 into t plus 9. So here t square plus 2 into t into 3, this one 3 square. Here what happened here? A square plus 2ab plus b square, that is equal to what happened here? A plus b whole square. So here a is equal to what on here? A is equal to t, b is equal to 3 here. So what happened? This will complete here t plus 3 whole square here. So substitute here, what happened here? 2 into integration 1 by t plus 3 whole square dt. Actually what happened? This one substitute 2 into integration 1 by t plus 3 whole square dt. Already we know what happened. Integration 1 by x square, integration 1 by x square dx, that is equal to minus 1 by x plus c, minus 1 by x plus c. So what happened here? I am taking this one complete as x, so this one x square, so 1 by x square, comparing this one minus 1 by x. So here 2 into minus 1 by t plus 3, 2 into minus 1 here, complete here minus 2 by t plus 3. Here integration 1 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx is equal to finally what on here? Minus 2 by t plus 3. So this value substitute equation number 5. What is the equation number 5 actually here? 1 by 25 log of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus 18x by 25 plus, so substitute here 2 by 5 into what on here? Minus 2 by t plus 3. Here 1 by 25 log of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5, 18 by 25 into x, here plus into minus here minus 2 to the 4, 4 by 5, integration 1 by t plus 3 plus c. So here 1 by 25 log of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5, 18 by 25 into x minus this one 4 by 5 into what happened here? Just substitute here t is equal to tan x by 2 plus 3 plus c. This is our problem solution. So remaining two problems here, just do this here. Evaluate integration 2 cos x plus 3 sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x dx. Next problem, integration cos x plus 3 sin x plus 7 by cos x plus sin x plus 1 dx.